Okay, everyone, welcome to my first video in my YouTube channel. And let me tell you, this right here is the cheapest way for you to own a Leica camera. Believe it or not. This is it. I just got it and I'm very excited to open it with you. It will be my first unboxing. Let's see how it looks. I don't have any sharp things to open it with. Oh. Okay, maybe we'll cut this out, maybe not. Maybe it will stay raw. Thank you, my friend. Not sharp enough. See, now I need to entertain you while I'm doing this. So today is a good day. Yeah, I should have thought about that. No worries, no worries. Maybe I can find the joke. I don't have any jokes. Ah, perfect. Let's see. So again, this is the latest. Okay, so what you are learning from this unboxing experience, that this plastic wrapper is very tough. My knife is not working either. Oh, now I've managed to open it. Oh, let's see. And this is the Leica Leitzphone by Xiaomi. Very nice, as you see, very nice box. I think the logo in the middle here gives it that exclusivity, but we also know that Leica is exclusive. So this version is a 16 gigabyte RAM and it has 1 terabyte of storage. And I cannot tell you so much more than that because it's not so much about the specs, it's about the unboxing of this phone. I'm sure you can find the specs if you just Google the phone. I know it's a 6.9 OLED screen and it has a Snapdragon. Oh, okay, so first thing, I forgot about the unboxing. First thing you see is this. Let's see what it is. Leica camera Wetzlar. What does it mean? I don't know, but it says congratulations on your new Leica Leitzphone powered by Xiaomi. Get your Leica account here. That's nice. I mean, if it's free, then it's good. And then there's this box, or sorry, this thing here. And you go straight to the phone. This is it. Let's see. Careful. Wow. A little bit big from what I used to. I'm used to a S24 Plus. So this is definitely an upgrade in the size. There's one thing here you see. It's just sliding off the wrapper here, which you have to be careful with. Don't think it's completely fixed. It's not fixed, but let me just pull it out. I will take this one and pull it. Okay, I don't want to. Right. This is the phone. Really nice phone. I've looked forward to it. I hope it will be as I expect it to be, especially when it comes to the camera. I bought it because of the camera. So you will get the shots, the new shots I will shoot in this channel will be from this camera. Okay, so let's see what's underneath here. We have the accessories, box, charger, and a phone case. That's generous. And also, yeah, that's all. What do we have here? The SIM card pin And we have, wow. Let's see. A Leica box with the ring to control the camera or any setting you want. I think it's not only the zoom, you can also use it for color control, light control. Let me try to click it in here. All right. Wow. Here it is. That's very nice. It's approved. And the rest of the box is the accessories. I can quickly show you. You have the lanyard here, or wrist strip, because it is a big phone, so you need to be careful when you use it. Or I mean, if you are standing somewhere and you're trying to balance, then it will be a good idea to have this on. So it's a wrist strap. Now to something else. A lens cap. That's nice. Wow, look at this. That's so nice. So this lens cap here will go on the lens and it will protect your lens. Look at that. It actually looks very stylish. That's stylish. And it will also turn here. So, last thing in the accessories is the cloth. Now we have the cloth to wipe your lens. Very nice. It's these small details, they really add up and make this a very nice unboxing experience. Okay, what else do we have? We have the pin. I showed you the accessories. The last box here is the charger. Charger, and it's 100 watt. Okay, so it's a fast charger. Nice. Thank you, Xiaomi. And a very nice cable with it that has this stuff feel on it. USB-C. That's nice. Okay, that was all for my unboxing. Oh wait, we have a bonus unboxing here. It is the camera kit, because I read that this makes it even more worth it to get this one. If you are excited about the camera and want to use the camera, then use this tool. Where's my knife? My plastic knife. I cannot find it. Where is it? Yeah, I will just use my nails. Yeah, that's the way it is. It's real. Okay. Maybe I can use the pin. Use the pin. Ah, come on. All right. Almost there. Come on. And yeah, I am very excited about starting this channel. I hope you will follow for more and subscribe. Oh, I got a new cover here. What's that? It's a new cover, but its ring doesn't turn. It doesn't rotate in the same way as the one I got. And I have the handle here. I think I can plug the handle. I don't know. I need to read if that's possible. But I think I think it can click. Oh, that's nice. So I can make use of this on top of my Leica cover. I don't need to use this cover. Oh, now it turned on. When I plugged it, it's turned on. That was not on purpose. It was not supposed to happen, but it's fine. This is how it looks. Oh, nice. And the grip seems also to have a battery. But I think there's some more. Oh no, the ring is here. Oh, the unboxing. So there is a ring. So I think I can plug this ring into this one. I don't know, what is this? I actually don't know. Ah, it's a filter adapter. Ah, now I know. So if you get a filter, you'll plug this one, and then it will hold the filter. That's a nice touch here. And I also have the buttons for the grip. So let's try to look at them. Very delicate. Here, and I will plug it right here. I have two buttons, but I think so. You have to. So it's like a screw. You screw it in. You rotate, and there you have it. There you have it. I choose the red one to have this the Leica style, to keep the Leica style. I really like it. It's really good quality. I like the buttons. You have the zoom button. You have the shutter here. Wow, that's nice. Look at that. Okay. And then I have also the black button if I want to use that one. And what else do I have? I also have something here. This box. Oh, another strip. Or where is this? It's another wrist band, which is fine. Now I have two. So like and subscribe if you want this extra one. I will not need an extra. So you can comment or like or text me if you want it. I'm willing to give it away. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video where I will share my ideas and show you some of my life through my lens and my new lens. Bye.